Okay, I'm just going to try to briefly walk you through this assignment. Um, Pretty straightforward, I think, but just to give you a quick little walkthrough like I did in class the other day, here we go. So there's two parts to the assignment. The first one basically is a recounting of what you learned in class. So as it says here, basically the purpose of the first assignment is I'm just curious what it is. We talked about history of modern China for about a week, so I'm just kind of curious to know what it is that you took away from our discussion and our learning in class. So just share with me what it is that you learned about modern China in class. Again, the requirements for this part are two separate resources and using at least three of the following terms. So when you share with me what you learned about modern China on the Google Doc, please make sure that you include three of the following terms. Obviously, you need to use them in proper context, define them if necessary, etc. If you want to use class resources that I used in class, which should be plenty of resources significant for what I'm asking you to do. There's a link at the bottom of the page. So if you click here, you can go to China Resources, and it'll take you to all the resources that I used in class. Again, feel free to use those. That should be plenty of information for you. If you'd like to do additional research, find other resources, by all means, go ahead. But this is what I used in class, so that should be plenty fine. Second part of the assignment, you're doing a little bit of research about modern China. So again, you need to use at least two separate resources. For this assignment, I've given you a list of possible current event choices that you can use. These are all good ones. You should have no problem finding plenty of information about those online. You can pick your own if you like. And again, the advice I'm giving you, or I gave you a link to this current issues in China, as I showed you in class the other day. This is a great website. It gives you popular topics in China. Many of these you will see are topics that I gave you for you to choose, if you so choose to do that. If there's something on this list that interests you more than the ones I've given you, feel free and use that. But the thing I like about this website is if you click on a topic like the Dalai Lama in China, it gives you a little background. It gives you some China official sources. It gives you some information about Tibet, and then it gives you what Chinese officials are saying, and then what the international community is saying. And there's a lot of links here. These are all different resources that you can use. I'm asking you to pick two resources. So if you use this resource, this will be a great spot for you to get some background information, and it will have plenty of resources for you. So you won't need to do any additional research. So I would recommend that you use that resource. Formatting, please, again, you're using your own Google Doc. You're going to title it China Past and Present. So you would create a Google Doc here. Your title, China Past, Present. And then again, simply just answer the questions as I pose them to you here. Remember, do not submit this assignment until you're finished. If you submit it before you're finished, I'll get a blank document and you won't have access to that document. So please do your work on the Google Doc when you are ready for me to assess it, when you are finished with your assignment, or when you are finished your degree that you'd like me to take a look at it. Then I would like you to attach and submit it to this page right here. All right. If you have any additional questions, by all means, let me know. I'm here to help you. So either talk to me at school, or if you like, you can write me an email anytime, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right. Good luck. And I look forward to hearing what you have to write about.